Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl Benny. Today we are going to prepare a yummy Ofe Akwu. I'm going to show you how I prepare Ofe Akwu in my kitchen. Ofe Akwu is really known by the eastern part of Nigeria. So today that is what we are going to cook in my kitchen. On the table I have our milk extracted from the palm fruit, which is used for this Ofe Akwu. You can go check my other video where I showed you how to prepare the milk from the fruit. Here is our meat stock. I'm going to be using chicken. I've already washed, parboiled the chicken, seasoned it very well. Later, I'll take it to the air fryer to be air fried. Here we have our salt. This is our Ogiri okpei. Ogiri okpei is a game changer of this food. It smells like something else, but it changes the taste of this Ofe Akwu. Here I have our ground crayfish. Here is our bouillon cube. Here is our onions. We have our pepper here. I'm going to use this yellow and red pepper. I'm using this yellow pepper because of the taste it normally gives to my food whenever I'm cooking. Here I have my already washed smoked fish. It was really washed thoroughly. I also have my washed cut dried fish here. Then I have our scent leaf. This scent leaf is another game changer when you are cooking your Ofe Akwu. So let's get cooking. So I put the pot on the fire, the heat is on. I'll just turn in the milk, let it be cooking while I go and grind my pepper. Then I put the chicken in the air fryer. So I'll allow it to simmer for some time before I come back. And when you are turning your milk, you have to be careful because the bottom has some particles so it doesn't enter your food, so you don't have sand in your pot of Ofe Akwu. So now I'm blending together the Ogiri okpei, the pepper and the onions, and you are grinding. It will not be too smooth, just it will have some kind of rough edges. That's how it's good in the soup. So I'm sending the chicken now to the air fryer to air fry. I don't want to use oil to fry. So I let it to boil for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to put the pepper, Ogiri okpei. Wow, the okpei is smelling, as in smell. When I mean smell, I mean smelling. Then the pepper, onion, that's what I'm putting now. Then I'll put my bouillon cube. I'm using 2. So I'm adding the crayfish. This is our smoked fish. Our dry catfish. Our meat stock. I'm not going to put everything. So I'll leave it to boil for like another 10 minutes. So I just opened the pot to check. You can see that the oil is on top of the soup. and it's getting thick because it's not meant to be watery, so it's getting thick. This is what we just want. Our soup is getting ready. So now I'll just add the fried chicken to it, then allow it to simmer for just 5 minutes, and our Ofe Akwu is ready. So I'll allow it to simmer for like 5 minutes so that the juice will soak into the chicken very, very well. I'll add salt for taste now. Though I'll have to take it easy because of the spiced chicken. So you put gently until it's okay. Don't just put all at once. Okay, I have to add more salt. When you're adding salt to your soup, you just go easy. I don't know why I always call this Ofe Akwu soup, because we have our banga soup, but I always call this soup. This one is Ofe Akwu, that is banga stew and not banga soup. So it's our yumicious Ofe Akwu banga stew. I'll test again for the salt. Okay, I just add little and then it's okay. If you see the aroma in my kitchen, boom. As in, please, if you have followed me to this point and you have not hit the like button, please do. Please share, like, and subscribe for more recipes. Okay, the salt is good now. So I'll like to simmer for like 5 minutes. Then I'll put our scent leaf and our Ofe Akwu is ready. So this is after 5 minutes. You can see the face of our Ofe Akwu smelling everywhere in my kitchen. You can see it's now thick. Excuse me. It's now thick. So I'll just go and put in our scent leaf, stir it, and turn off the heat. This scent leaf is another game changer to this Ofe Akwu. Like I said earlier on, this Ofe Akwu goes with hot rice. Hot rice, you know. Please share, like, and subscribe. So it's okay now. I'll just turn off my heat. So this is our Ofe Akwu and our rice. I'm going to take mine with water because I'm watching my weight. But if you like, you can take yours with chilled bottle of Coke or fruit drink. You can prepare this in your house on Sunday instead of preparing stew all the time. And as a lady, you can prepare it for your husband, and anything you ask of him is going to give you. So let me just have a taste of this Ofe Akwu now. So tasty. Out of this world. Please, if you are yet to like, share, please just do like and share to your friends and family so that they can prepare this in their homes on Sundays. And if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and like now until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.